GM, today is Monday, December 16th. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. My name is Professor Cage. I am one of the best crypto investors, researcher and analyst on the planet. और ये आपको मेरी वीडियोस देख के अंदाजा हो जाना चाहिए क्योंकि I bet majority of you or all of you मेरी लैंग्वेज भी अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर सकते because no offense, nothing personal, but you are a normie. आपको वो पता है जो 99% लोगों को पता है. दिस इज अ वेरी कंपेटिटिव मार्केट. मार्केट में विन करने का सिर्फ एक तरीका है, टू बिकम द टॉप 1%, टू लर्न द टेक्निक्स, द सीक्रेट्स ऑफ टॉप 1%. और वो जानने के लिए एंड मैक्सिमम एडवांटेज लेने के लिए ज्वाइन माई मास्टर क्लास, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मिल जाएगा एंड यू कैन सी इट हियर एज वेल. मेरी मास्टर क्लास में आई कन्वर्ट यू, ट्रांसफॉर्म यू फ्रॉम अ गैम्बलर टू अ प्रोफेशनल, जिसके बाद यू विल बिकम एन एलीट. यू विल बी एबल टू मेक कंसिस्टेंट प्रॉफिट ओवर द लॉन्ग रन एंड यू विल बी एबल टू क्रश द बुल मार्केट. ना सिर्फ ये, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स हैं हर टॉपिक पे एंड मैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे सभी सिग्नल्स प्रोवाइड करता हूँ. आई टेल यू एवरी सिंगल डे व्हाट टू बाय, इन व्हाट प्रोपोर्शन टू बाय एंड all the things that comes with it. So that is it. Join the masterclass to win and make life-changing money in crypto this bull market, because we are just getting started. So without any further wait, let's get straight into the analysis data and see what do we have today and what can we expect next. So जैसा आप देख सकते हो, Bitcoin अपनी एक this some sort of upwards trending accumulation में है, like so. Whoa, by the way, where did I get this color from? Anyways, as you can see, it is in this choppy grinding upwards momentum and moving up. और जैसा मैंने ये रेंज ड्रॉ की थी एंड आई टोल्ड यू गाइस दैट वी आर राइट नाउ इन दिस चॉपी इन्वायरमेंट, और हमें अपवर्ड इस तरह का मोमेंटम मूव तब मिलेगा इफ बिटकॉइन इज एबल टू ब्रेक अबव हियर, होल्ड एंड देन मूव ऑन. उससे पहले राइट नाउ ये जो आप देख रहे हो, दिस इज कार्बन कॉपी ऑफ व्हाट वी सॉ हियर. Carbon copy, literally. See, look at this. Now look at this. And still, people are fucking it up. Overthinking and betting on alts again and again and again, because most of the people, they just want to gamble. They don't actually want to make money. मेहनत से, they want to gamble. So, anyways, Bitcoin broke above and reached a new all-time high, 106.5 something, and then pulled back. So New York session be open again, and as you can see, there is a lot of selling and it is going back into its range, this resistance area, and probably this is going to fall back. This is going to fall back or stay somewhere around here, chop around more in this fashion or whatever, and then it is going to break out. And anyways, I don't care, nor do we expect anything right now, because we follow our systems. And actually yesterday, I posted in my crypto masterclass and we made a beautiful trade. Certainly I did. From this candle you can see. So I made massive profits yesterday. The puri market was getting crushed, and even today, when the whole market is getting crushed, I made profits. And well, it is what it is, because I have my systems and you guys don't. So let's look at Ethereum, still chopping around in this range and probably going to fall back and chop around some more. जैसे मैं पहले भी बता रहा था, कुछ देश से मैं इन सब चीजों को कवर कर रहा हूँ, and I was saying it is going to chop around, fall back, go for the retest and maybe break out next if market was to rise. Solana looking very weak, very weak, into right into its support zone, and might even stay around here या फिर इवन गोस डाउन मोर। अगर हम देखें ETH BTC रेशियो, ETH BTC रेशियो इज चॉपिंग अराउंड इन दिस एरिया, क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि दिस इज ऑल अ बिटकॉइन शो। दिस इज everything is around Bitcoin right now. Do not focus on any of the other shit. Do not do that. और इसके बारे में मैं बाद में rant करूंगा. First, Sol BTC broken down from this, whatever you call this, whatever the fuck you like to call this, you can call that. But Sol BTC broke down and needs some attention. So is this the time jab Sol BTC ratio is going to revert and Solana is going to outperform for a little while? I don't think so. Right now, I don't think so. It may. अगर BTC स्लाइट पुल बैक करता है इनटू इट्स रेंज एंड सोलाना स्ट्रेंथ शो करता है, तो ये रेशियो ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रेंथ में चले जाएगी एंड इट इज गोइंग टू चॉप अराउंड एंड देन मे बी डू दैट. एंड इफ सोल वर टू break this ratio towards upwards, it is going to happen something like that. Do not expect कि Solana यहां से break करके up चले जाएगा. So I was holding Solana when it was strong. I sold my Solana for the assets जो कि उससे ज्यादा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, जो कि मेरे सिस्टम ने मुझे प्रोवाइड किए थे. Solana ETH ratio is significantly down and maybe it also needs some attention. So yes, Solana is this is the time जब आप expect करोगे Solana to show some strength, because the narrative, the sentiment is so bad around Solana right now. So I expect this ratio to revert back up and show some strength and build its way back up if it were to go upwards. So that is what I'm expecting right now, but I'm still not allocating any more Solana. If my systems tell me that the trend is going to start towards upwards or whatever, then and only then मैं ये सब एनालिसिस जरूर करता हूं, लेकिन मेरी डिसीजन मेकिंग मेरे एनालिसिस से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. आई डोंट नो. आई एम एन एक्सपर्ट. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. नो वन डज. इसीलिए मैं अपने बायसेस, मैं अपनी फीलिंग्स, अपने इमोशंस को अपने इन्वेस्टिंग डिसीजन से कंप्लीटली सेपरेट रखता हूं. आई हैव developed systems जो कि मैं आपको सिखाता हूं, how to develop your own systems in my master class. And I have developed my systems और मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने systems को follow करता हूं. I don't include my any cognitive biases in my trading decision. Bitcoin dominance rising, which is good to see. is मैंने पहले भी इसको again and again mention किया था कि that Bitcoin dominance needs to rise, and people जो कि again and again X पे, Twitter पे, everywhere Bitcoin dominance is breaking down, it is the alt season and this and that and blah blah blah. Fuck them. Absolutely fuck them. This is the Bitcoin show. Everything around is around Bitcoin. They would psyop you into believing कि this is alt season, this is alt season. मैं पिछले एक महीने से and especially like last 1 week, 2 weeks से I'm watching all of those stupid motherfuckers telling Bitcoin dominance has stopped and alt season, buy this. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने आपको खुद के allocated alts सेल करने होते हैं ताकि आप उनके बैग्स को बाय करो, पंप करो एंड दे डंप ऑन योर आस. डोंट ट्रस्ट दीज पीपल. कब आप लोगों को इस रियलिटी की समझ आएगी? मैं आपको किन अल्फाजों में बताऊं तो आपको इस रियलिटी की समझ आएगी? डू नॉट फॉलो दोज पीपल. You will get absolutely destroyed before you know it. They tell you that alt season is here, alt season is here, alt season is here. Boom. You buy these alts and then boom, you see this. Are you seeing this? The only way is systemization. Systemization आपको protect रखता है from all of this. All of this. So, I am also holding alt जो मेरे सिस्टम ने मुझे प्रोवाइड किया था, and trust me, it is the strongest fucking performing alt in the whole market. Systems. Now, I'm gonna move straight into the data and see what do we have. By the way, we have FOMC. When this Wednesday we have FOMC, so that will be a catalyst जो कि further information provide करेगा for Bitcoin to break even above or below wherever it is right now. So we'll see. Going into FOMC, कल परसों तक maybe it is going to do this, and Wednesday when there is FOMC we're gonna do this and then move up if the market is bullish. Now Fed net liquidity rising, TGS pen down, और ये यहाँ पे भी reflect हुआ होगा if I go here and you can see it here that now it is moving into the days जहाँ पे there is going to be some seasonality effect of liquidity injections going down and well let's see कि Bitcoin की प्राइस में ये रिफ्लेक्ट होगा या नहीं, वरना उसके बाद going into January we are going to have massive liquidity injections and TGA rundown जो कि हमारी prices को वलहला पे भेजेगा. And this is what matters. This is what I'm covering again and again and again. This is what matters. Longer time frame view is what matters. We know that this is going to happen for sure because liquidity is the main driver of the market. So Bitcoin ETF inflows, of course, आज का data यहाँ पे show नहीं होगा and we're gonna wait and see for the day to close the New York session to see कैसी demand है आज. Gonna look at funding. How is funding looking? Top gainers. Ondo pe there is a high. Okay. I want to look at 1 day. Then I'm gonna look at large caps. Probably koi funding nahi hogi, completely wiped out, and Bitcoin is moving up with no funding. Virtuals pe there is funding which is declining, by the way. Maybe did price go down on virtual? Because I saw it was high, it was strong. Yup, so it is by the way very strong. Lekin this is not a signal, do not buy it here. I mean, who knows where it is going to go, but I wouldn't buy it here. Trust me, I wouldn't. Now small caps, nothing there, and very low volume. Market volume आप देख सकते हो is incredibly low. This is why we are not seeing any massive moves. This is why price is so slow. There is because holiday season people tend to not play these like the large cap, the lower beta markets. They mostly like to go into the higher beta stuff. If you don't know about what I'm talking about, join my masterclass again. So, yeah, retail volume is very low और ये यहाँ पे भी reflect हो रहा था. Let me go through the dashboard completely because I saw some concerning things here. A glitch in the matrix dashboard. This is my dashboard and you can just I'll provide the link in the description. आप ये dashboard खुद open करके देख सकते हो. I have added a lot of indicators, लेकिन आपको ये read करने नहीं आएंगे unless you join my masterclass. Okay, so sentiment vote up because everyone is betting on alt season again. Fuck retail. Fuck those stupid ass people. Like, why? Market power change coming down. इसको मैंने 2 दिन पहले cover किया था that this was what concerning me, but it is coming down. So what next if this dashboard loads up quickly? BTC price versus USD market cap change, 30-day change also coming down, which is good to see. Now there is one thing which I don't like to say is short-term holder MBRV again going up. Just एक दिन Bitcoin price की movement से a lot of metrics have been going up. So this is showing very incredibly overheated conditions, and I honestly don't like to see that. And oh, so adjusted net unrealized profit and loss still very hot. And here, see, BCI also rising. एक दिन के change से, like it has started to, revert. If you squint very close, it is going up again. See, so very overheated conditions. Binary CDD is also intermediate overheated, I would say, not like these flashing signals yet. And adjusted MVRV also here. See, rising. Then, जो कि मुझे सबसे ज्यादा कंसर्न कर रहा है is UTXO. एक दिन के प्राइस चेंज से UTXO has went from here to here. And no, this I don't like to see this. Absolutely not. Because this is very showing very overheated conditions. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो, I have covered this many times. Every time UTXO has went up in this area, it has suggested a consolidation. Here, some local peak. If we look very closely, here, local peak. Here, local peak. Here, local peak. Here, some consolidation moving into the local peak. यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें, consolidation, 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 and local peak. Then consolidation and local peak. So I don't like to see this at all. इसका मतलब कि we are going to have some sort of consolidation. और देखो, लर्न किया करो साथ साथ, मैं किन चीजों को किस तरीके से देख रहा हूं, ये मुझे लिटरली ये बता रहा है. लाइक यही वो सब चीजें हैं जिन्होंने मुझे ये बताया था कि दैट वी आर नॉट गोना ब्रेक आउट. यही वो सब चीजें हैं जिन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि दैट हाउ इथेरियम इज बिहेविंग सोलाना. और मुझे क्या करना है बेसिकली, इफ यू डोंट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, इफ यू डोंट ट्राई टू लर्न, it is impossible for me to teach you. So anyways, it is your choice. I know all of you just want कि मैं तुम लोगों को कि मैजिकल टोकन बता दूं जिसको देख के, जिसको बाय करके तुम लोग ओवरनाइट मल्टी मिलियनर बन जाओ. नो, आई एम नॉट ए स्कैमर. आई एम नॉट ए स्कैमर. आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल. गो लिसन टू अ स्कैमर. गिव योर मनी अवे टू हिम. उसके बैग्स पंप करो so he can dump on your ass. If you want to make money, you come to me. If you want to lose money, you go to the scammers and other YouTubers. Do you understand? So, new money rising, suggesting maybe. So it was falling all the way, and when did it start to rise? 11th December. So Monday, 11th December. Okay, 11 and okay. So this is retail going into. I know what this is. This is retail going into meme coins. A little bit of retail, by the way. Not too much volume in there as well. Do we have anything else to cover? Nothing there. There. Or alpha prices going down. Whoops. Alrighty. So let's move on. Do we have anything else of our interest? My dashboard is not loading. बहुत ज़्यादा indicator है. Anyways, we're gonna move forwards. Yup, I like to see that. Retail investor volume is going down. Good. Good. जिसका ये भी मतलब है कि there is less volume in the market and next year TGA rundown से पहले we are not gonna see any upwards, sharp upwards move. अब तो मुझे श्योरिटी हो गई है. लाइक द वॉल्यूम हैज डिक्लाइंड सो मच, रिटेल इंटरेस्ट हैज डिक्लाइंड सो मच. यस, इन अ बुल मार्केट आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे ये कंडीशंस देख के दैट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग अपवर्ड्स मोमेंटम मूव. बट like right now, according to the current conditions, we are not going to have any strong upwards momentum move. Bitcoin is just going to chop around the way it is doing that. It is going to maybe do this, something like this, or it is going to do something like this. I don't know. I don't know the future, but we are not going to break out and go into this incredible move. ना ही हमें ऑल्ट कॉइन्स में कोई मैसिव परफॉर्मेंस देखने को मिलेगी until next year. मैं आपको आज बता दूं, I have said these things many times before and they have come out right. And even if they come out wrong, I am protected by my systems. Because there is no volume, there is no interest right now. I don't think so. We're gonna have a strong upwards momentum move. Futures open interest rising. Why? People are betting. Okay, yeah, of course. तुम डम्ब लोगों को वो डम्ब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ये बताते हैं कि yeah, of course, there is going to be alt season and this and that, और आप लोग जाके exchanges पे leverage positions लेना start कर देते हो alt coins पे. Anyways, I have formed the view. Gonna look at Bitcoin liquidations for 1 week or 2 weeks. Let's see, because we have been in consolidation from quite a while now. So Bitcoin has cleared up all the liquidations. Let's look at Ethereum. Not gonna look at Bitcoin here. I'm gonna look at Solana, क्योंकि Solana is something जो कि लोगों को काफी interest करेगा, because Solana has a lot of liquidation, juicy liquidations at this area. So जैसे मैंने पहले बताया कि Sol BTC, Sol ETH ratio are due for a correction, and if it is going to correct, probably Solana is going to run up. Not saying it is going to run up like a lot, but maybe for very slowly or in whatever fashion it is going to go. But the thing is, Solana is due for moving up now. So you can expect Solana bottoming out in this area. आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि सोलाना यहाँ पे बॉटम आउट हो जाएगा. अब ये यहाँ से स्ट्रेट अप नहीं जाता तो इट कैन डू दिस, इट कैन बिल्ड इट्स वे अप and then blast. It can do whatever. It can do different sorts of things, but this is what is going to happen. Solana पे आप ये expect कर सकते हो. मैंने कुछ दिन पहले भी path draw किया था. Actually, I drew a path somewhere around here, और मैंने यहाँ पे भी यही कहा था कि it is going to do something like this, and it is very well following जो path मैंने draw किया था. So yeah, I'm a G, I know. Anyways, choppiness index still chopping around. Stablecoin ratio channel, ये मैंने आपको बताया था कि what I want to see from stablecoin ratio channel to move up like so, and it is doing that. मैंने ये यहाँ पे कहीं इस तरह से lines draw की थी, and yes, it is doing that, which will be good in our favor. Then Bitcoin cycle extreme oscillator still flashing the overbought conditions. Short-term holder MBRV, we have covered that. Long and short-term holder supply breakdown. This is the area जहाँ पे आप expect कर सकते हो कि short-term holders distribute करना बंद कर देंगे, because they are also getting out of the market. So this should be the bottom in that sense. Then we have some tweets. Kingfisher, it is this guy is suggesting that Bitcoin key, there are a lot of liquidations that have built up. So liquidation maps के साथ the experience, a lot of people wouldn't know कि the expectance is to reach in the highest cluster area. If the price is going to take the liquidation out, I'm going to use a different color. Whoops. Anyways, if price were to take out the liquidations down from here, it is going to reach the highest cluster, which is around 1014. And I think इसने Ethereum का भी कुछ पोस्ट किया था. Yep. So is Ethereum going to take the long first or short first? We don't know. Long maybe it is nothing. 39, 39, it is around 39, so nothing interesting there. Bitcoin Pay 101.5 is, oh, amazing. Here, boom, here we go. So, yep, and do we have anything else? Cole Gardner, uh, order book के order book volume के हिसाब से depth delta. This is indicating that this is the bottom, but not very much sure. I mean, I don't like trust these things very much. These can be subject to very false signals. Anyways, yep, pardons Chinese spies convicted of stealing American tech secrets. Biden has become one of the 8,000 people who has seen UFOs in the sky. Fuck. ये आपको इस तरह की स्टोरीज क्यों सुनने को मिलती है? यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दे ट्राई टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट यू. आपको इस तरह की फिजूल स्टोरीज एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स दे आर absolutely, what should I say? I hope people are clever enough. My audience at least is clever enough to understand these things. They do these things to distract you, distract you from the main focus. Now, who knows what they're gonna do? Who knows? Maybe they're gonna try to assassinate Trump, and when they assassinate Trump, Bitcoin is going to fall. एक single candle में Bitcoin is going to go to $50,000. We'll see. We'll navigate through everything. Anyways, we are good. मैंने आपको सब बता दिया कि what to expect and किस पे अपना focus रखना है. And keep your focus on that. Just don't do anything stupid. Don't buy any altcoins here. Don't take any leverage positions. The worst possible thing you can do here is take any leverage positions. This is the Bitcoin show. Do not get psyoped into believing that altcoins are there to make you rich. They are there to make the VCs rich. If you want to actually become rich, join my masterclass जहाँ पे मैं आपको बताऊंगा when to buy, when to sell, what to buy, in what proportion to buy, and everything in between. And ये बताने के साथ साथ you can study all the recorded lectures and you can become expert for yourself and develop your own systems and become an independent investor for the whole life. That is going to be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Investing Analysis. Peace.